Welcome to English Waves. Learn English. Speak with confidence.
Hello, everyone, and a big warm welcome to English Waves, the place where learning English feels simple, relaxed, and enjoyable. My name is Madison, and I'm really happy you're listening today. If you're learning English and sometimes feel confused about what to say or how to start a conversation, don't worry, you are in the right place.
Hello, Madison, and hello to all our listeners. It's great to be here with you again. I'm Sam, and we're excited to practice English together today.
Before we begin, a small reminder. If you enjoy learning English with real conversations, please subscribe to English Waves.
Yes, and don't forget to like this episode and share it with friends or family who are learning English. Your support helps us grow and create more helpful content.
All right, Sam, let's jump into today's topic. Today, we're talking about a very common question in English. Tell me about yourself.
Ah, yes. This question comes up everywhere, in classes, at work, in interviews, and when meeting new people.
Exactly, and many learners feel nervous because they don't know what information to share.
So today, we'll break it down slowly and make it easy.
Sam, why don't you start? Tell me about yourself, but let's go step by step.
Okay, sounds good. Let's start with something very simple. My name is Sam. S-A-M.
Nice to meet you, Sam. My name's Madison. It's great to talk with you today. Next question. Where are you from, Sam?
I'm from Canada.
That's nice. I'm from the United States.
Do you live in a big city or a small town?
I live in a big city. It's busy and loud, but I enjoy the energy. What about you?
I live in a small town. It's quiet and peaceful, which I really like.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a small house with a garden.
That sounds lovely. I live in an apartment. It's not very big, but it's comfortable. If you're comfortable sharing, how old are you, Sam?
I'm 28 years old.
Nice. I'm 25 years old. Now, a very important question. What do you do?
I'm an English teacher, and I really enjoy helping people.
That's wonderful. I'm a student, and I study art. I love drawing and painting. Let's talk about family. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. Her name is Olivia, and she's younger than me.
That's nice. I have one brother. His name is Jerry, and he's older than me.
What do your parents do?
My mother is a teacher, and my father is a chef. He cooks amazing food at home.
That sounds delicious.
Do you have any pets, Sam?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is John. He's friendly and full of energy.
So cute. I have a cat named Suzanne. She's very calm and sleepy.
A dog person and a cat person. Perfect balance.
Let's talk about favorite things. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza, especially vegetable pizza.
Great choice. My favorite food is pasta.
And your favorite color?
Green, like nature. What about you?
Simple blue, like the sky.
Now, hobbies. What do you do for fun?
I enjoy listening to music, playing soccer, and watching movies.
I love painting, reading books, and watching animated films. It's also okay to talk about things you don't like.
For example, I don't like olives.
And I don't like very spicy food. These small details help people understand your personality.
You don't need to say everything at once.
Guide what fits the situation: school, work, or casual meetings.
Tell me about yourself is not a test. It's an invitation to connect.
We hope today's conversation helped you feel more confident.
Now it's your turn. Go to the comments and write 2 to 3 sentences about yourself.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to English Waves.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep improving your English.
See you next time on English Waves. Bye-bye.